Hey, we have a story by Bronco Nation. The 2021 Bronco hardtops complexity behind making modularity happen. Now, just over 2 years ago, Webasto Roof Systems announced a $47.9 million investment in Plymouth Township, Michigan plant to meet the demands of a new contract with Ford Motor Company and FCA. Now, just minutes from the Michigan assembly plant, the new facility will be manufacturing modular hardtops for the 2021 Bronco. Not since the Ford Thunderbird, which ceased production in 2005, has Ford made a vehicle with a removable top. And not since 1996 had Ford made a truck with a removable roof section. Webasto, a more than 100-year-old German supplier known for sunroofs, convertibles, and glass roofs, appear to be expanding their open-air roof capabilities with this new Ford contract. And boy, does these roofs look epic. I mean, just look at them and look at the Bronco in all of its glory. That's just awesome. Now, Webasto, a more than 100-year-old German supplier, has a lot of skill. The much celebrated modularity of the 2021 Bronco is an impressive design breakthrough, but not without its engineering and manufacturing challenges. To deliver an open-air experience to first and second row passengers on both 2- and 4-door Broncos, Ford is offering multiple variations. Reviewing build and price, we count at least 6 tops that must be sequenced in the plant, each able to keep passengers dry while delivering an acceptable cabin noise at highway speeds. And boy, does this fastback look awesome. Boy, I love the way this looks. This is sharp. And if you guys remember the carpeted and how they made the installation too, to keep the noise out. Now, keeping all this in mind, it should come as no surprise that news surrounding the removable tops on the Bronco continue to surface as Ford inches closer to Job 1. Now, on Friday, March the 19th, Ford announced that the sound deadening headliner $495 option will be made standard on the molten color hardtops for the 2021 Bronco. Now, reservation holders and enthusiasts alike jumped into the forum to speculate on why Ford would be so generous. With the latest news coming on the heels of Ford announcing the delay of painted roofs, with this move, Ford does reduce some complexities in the manufacturing process by eliminating with and without the sound of deadening headliners. And I, for one, with the headliners, I mean, the sound deadening, great, but after 5 years of ownership and heat and everything, that's all going to peel right off. Unless they got some more higher quality glue. But regardless of where it always comes off. There's no roof that I've seen. I mean, on some cars I have. It just depends on how it's done. Now, challenges related to modular roofs in this segment are not unique to Ford. Jeep Forums is full of tech tips and advice following the launch of the 2018 JL water leaks with the JK modular hardtop. Freedom panel were so common that Jeep issued a technical service bulletin to help stop water leaks at the center and the center rear A pillar corners. On the B pillar corners of the hardtop Freedom panels. Whatever the reason for the delay, the ramp up of new suppliers and the all-new product, and due to the pandemic, it appears that modular roofs could be the biggest headwind facing Ford and their suppliers for the 2021 Ford Bronco. For those of you hoping to avoid modular top challenges by opting for the soft top, Bronco Nation has documented some of the key differences you can expect. Now, if you order your Bronco with a soft top, you will not get the wiring for the power wipers, the rear defroster, the plumbing for the rear washer. For some, this is not a big deal. For others, this is a game changer. To see that you're missing, here are some, these are just photos. I mean, this is just epic. Now, last year, Ford did announce that the dual top option will remain available for customers wanting both the hard and the soft top. Ford has confirmed to Bronco Nation that those selecting a dual option will receive their soft top and removable carrier shipped inside the vehicle. The carrier is expected to be a safe and compact way to store the top when not in use. Now this is awesome, folks. Now if you want to hear more information, just head over to Bronco Nation and check out the forums. It's A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic and wonderful day. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.